Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm going through these Brandblack videos. Boxes are the same, so I don't have to do a whole lot with the boxes. I'm going to move this up so you guys can see that label on the shoe, and you'll just be like, yo, what is that? This shoe is called the Aura. The Aura 421BB. When you talk about a really distinct looking shoe, this thing is really distinct. It is dope. By far and away, you know, I just did the Nomo. This is my favorite of the whole crew of shoes. And that peach set, that peach kind of look, this kind of apricot look to the shoe, bananas, man. And you see the Brandblack Los Angeles logo up there. It's got an inner sockliner booty. Makes it difficult to get the shoe on. I will do an on foot with this. Look at that kind of peanut butter. It's light cream. So it's like, this is like an orange sickle, right? If I had to give it a nickname or something, I'd give it an orange sickle. It looks in the construction kind of like a Hirachi, but what you'll notice is Brandblack's kind of signature logo is built into the shape of the shoe from when they were making like the J crossover and those shoes. But this inner sock liner, you can see through the material, through the pieces of leather and suede. I know I got all of these Jordans on the wall behind me. I don't think there's a single Jordan with leather that looks the same way as this. There's no way that this looks the same as anything that you'll see on Jordan brand. The leather here is perfect. It's perfect. So you got your suede right here on the medial side, and you have right there at the back, I want you to see that leather around the heel, and then the toe box is exquisite. Look at that piece of suede right there on the toe. Tell me that's not dope. That's ridiculous. You know what I mean? So I'm going to spin that and give you a look, but I will definitely do an on foot because, like I said, everything is in a size 13 that I bought because it was for the photo shoot with my son. I just want to make sure I get these individual videos in because I would hate myself if I didn't do these videos, man. I love how thick these pull tabs are. Love how thick those pull tabs are. So when I get this on foot, you'll get to see it. Now the bottom is dirty because we did do a photo shoot. It was downtown. We were socially distanced, so don't trip. But that's it for this one. Let's go to that on foot. But let's get these shoes on foot. And this is the pink Aura. So let's get these on. Yep, takes a little bit of work to get in that joint, but once it's on, this actually feels a little bit better than the Saga, so I think they are true to size, but anytime you have these inner kind of sock liners, you get a smaller fit, you know what I mean? So if you just want to be safe, then you can go up half a size if you can. I'm a size 13, so it's hard for me to go up half a size because no one makes 13 and a half. These do feel good. I'm sure if I walk for a while, they'll break in and they'll be okay. But here goes that on foot for you guys with the rolling. Oh gosh, this feels better than all of the other shoes so far. It's called a Rolling Gait technology. So it's a rocker sole. I know it probably doesn't look like it, but it's a rocker sole. This thing feels awesome. How they didn't make this a straight up running shoe? Lighten the materials maybe? Because it feels great. And that toe box, I still want you guys to see that toe box. Love this shoe. This is gonna get a lot of wear, man. We're gonna have to fight over this one. Or I may have to order a second pair. What do you guys think? I think it's a dope shoe. So let's move on to the last pair, which is the Nomo. It's the Nomo. But that's it. But I can feel that rocker technology where it feels like you're sitting back on your heel. But as you go forward, it's a running shoe. That's a running outsole. As chunky as that looks, that's a running outsole. That thing feels great, heel to toe. It feels great. That's it. Let's wrap it up. You guys see me sweating, man. I just had to bust a door open. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.